Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use referral code in Google Pay. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and if you want to enter the referral code for Google Pay, go to your profile page, and at the top right corner tap the profile icon. Under referral code, enter the code, and if the code is valid, you will get a success screen, and basically you're gonna be able to use that referral code in Google Pay. All right, if the Google Pay, if the referral code checks out, and if it is valid, you're gonna be able to use it successfully, right? And from the Android, go ahead from the Play Store, download the Google Pay, and from the iOS, from App Store, download the Google Pay app, and open the Google Pay app. And to go to the profile icon at the top right corner, tap the profile icon. Under the referral code, enter the code, and if the code is valid, you will get a success screen. And then check the status of the referral. You can find more info about a referral on the referral code page. You could just check if the code was applied successfully, in the status of your referral, and the referral eligibility. Alright, I'll turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.